Oh, didn't see it there. It's Thomas Edward. And I've got a bit of a mail time video. My first ever mail... No, actually. No, I've done a couple of mail time videos. Tell a lie, I've done an Apple Mac and a Canon 80D. What's filming me now? But this is my first like proper mail time. Brand new mail time. So I'm a big fan of Olight. And Olight UK are quite getting... Because Olight's is a Chinese company, but it's always been branded up by Americans and been like top torch company for people who hunt, sport, or EDC, everyday carry. But they've got a UK department now. So Olight UK, with Tom who runs it, good lad. And they've just had a recent flash sale. I think it was a Christmas sale, something like that. And one of the things they had new, I didn't know about it. A family member said to me, "Oh, have you seen that little Olight bulb kind of thing?" And I went, "No." And I went and looked on the website, and I found this. It's called an Olight Obulb, and what you can see there, it's just an orb of light, a big orb of light. It's tiny, look, it's really tiny. Look, the box is only, an inch long. Tiny little thing. And the specs on the back is, it's a white light, so with Olight, I tend to get natural white, because my eyes, I can see the flickering, like, harsh light. Very rare people get that, and I've got that. So I might be able to see the flicker in this, but we'll see. I just really wanted it because I like the thing. So it's a white light, high is 55 lumens, 3 hours runtime, and then white light low is 3.5 lumens, 56 hours, and then there's a red light and a flashing red, what are both 7 lumens, and the red light 7 hours and the flashy is 30 hours. So when you're stuck on the side of the road in your Land Rover, you can stick that on it, but being a Land Rover, being aluminium, you can't stick it on it. Yeah, when you're broken down, you can stick that in your car, and your AA or REC can see you, or people going past can see you. So it's quite a good little light. And then I suppose it's been aimed at campers, so when you're in a tent on top of a mountain like Connie Snow Mountain in the Lake District, up in the snow, as it is now, and you can have that in your tent. So I'll just show you the specs there, so you can see, probably a bit of reflection on the thing, there you go, so that's what it is. So I'm going to move the camera so you can see me unopening this, and we'll go from there, see you in a minute. Right, so we're in my office area here. It's a nice little thing. It isn't an office, it's a bit of wood where I can put on my seat, but it works well. But anyway, this is my unboxing new platform. Well, especially for torches, I don't think I could fit anything in it. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. So let's open this old bulb, shall we? So I'll get my EDC Swiss Army Knife Explorer out. I've had this many years. Lovely little knife. And we'll just open this. Oh. Try not to damage the box. Get your hand in there. Oh. Alright, I should be able to get it on. Always remember to put your knives in. Don't leave them hanging around. Dangerous things. Whoa, look at this. Whoa. Exciting. Whoa. Oh, Olights. They always smell good when you get them out of the wrapper. Brand new tech. Smells good. Yeah. Wow. Love the box. Let's have a look. Whoa. Oh. Congrats on your new Olight Obulb. Before first use, please press and hold the button for over 2 seconds to unlock the product. Please fully charge your product. That's the second thing. Oh, so it's like it. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, so I always put these yellow things in, tell you what. They normally say take the yellow thing off the battery before you turn it on. That's normally what they say. But this is nice. It gets even better. It even gets even better. Look at this. Your new old bulb will keep things bright when you need it the most. Welcome to Olight family. Well, I'm already a member of the family, but I've got quite a few Olights, quite a collection already. Wow, let's I'll tell you what, let's do the boring bit. Let's save that to after. So so we'll go in the bottom of the box here. Oh, there we go. There's another little box in the bottom. This is where we charge and what it says. Unlock. No, before you please press the... Yeah, we already know that. That's fine. This will have my instructions and my charger in, I would have thought. Oh yeah. That's they give you a little plinth. Probably can't see it, probably won't focus on it. But they give you a little plinth, so if you want to stick it to a wall or something non-metal, you can stick it to like a plate, and that's got double-sided tape on the back, so you can stick it on the wall or wherever you want to put it. So that's clever. And then in here, oh yeah, classic charger. Or what voltage? Yeah, it's very similar to what the other chargers. It's probably got maybe a different amp hour in it because it's just like maybe it's a different sort of power to normal touch. Because I've got an S2R Mark II and a H2R and stuff. They all got these sort of chargers, and an S1R Mark II as well. All got the same, and that little thing there lights up red when it's flat and then green when it's fully charged. Yeah, classic charger, and there's instructions in there. So I've got in it. That. Put that back in there. Put that back in each box. Right, so let's get the bulb out, shall we? So it's in this little cover. Whoa, yeah. I thought it'd be heavy now, it's quite light. I thought it'd have a bit of weight to it. But, oh wow. Wow, it's a proper orb, look at that. With all light. I got the grey one, I wanted the red one. But for some reason I didn't get a red one, I just got a grey one because I thought, oh, I'll just have, because it's going to get chucked around anyway. I didn't want to get it marked up in the grey ones. It doesn't attract attention to people who want to nick your stuff. There you go, that's the bulb. See, it says Olight on the front. Turn it round, it says, it's in the back there, I can't see. Obulb. It says Obulb on the back. And underneath it has magnetic, so you can stick it to that or stick it to that little plate I've just shown you. I'll show you again anyway. And also that's your charger. You charge it up underneath there. I've just put the charger away, but the charger will stick on there. And then it can sit down there like that. How do you turn it on? Do you press it down? Oh. Now if I hold it down, there you go. Look at that. The proper orb, so that must be low. And then there you go, that's high. Wow. And then ooh, red, look at that. Wow. I believe this floats. So at Christmas we could put this in the middle of the table at Christmas dinner on a bit of water and it float like a floating candle. And then there's a flashy red. Clever, isn't it, that? And then you can hold it down and it locks it so it doesn't come on in your pocket or your bag. All lights do that, they have a lock feature on them. So then we hold it down again, it comes on, and that's your bulb. It's clever, isn't it, that? Well impressed. I thought I might use it for filming, so I can light myself up when I'm doing a night piece to camera when we do train spotting or when I do some local history and some dark places and we need a bit of light, ambient lighting. Anyway, I'll just show you first, before I pan back to me. This is the plinth you can put it on. I'll just open it so you can see. Got a bit of freehand tape on the back. Oh yeah, that's nice. There you go, little metal plinth. So you can stick that on the wall or next to your bed, on your bedside cabinet, or you can put it in your workshop on, I don't know, on the wall or your toolbox, or put it in your car. I think it's probably made good for your car. Put it in your Land Rover on your dashboard. Or if you're a Toyota driver or whatever you drive, four-wheel drive wise. Or you can put it in your normal car, in your family BMW saloon. So you've got a light, put it in your boot, so you've got emergency light. A bit of 3M tape on the back, so you can stick it on and stuff. The only thing I don't like is, once you've stuck that on, you're never going to get it off again. And if you say you get a new car, it's gone. You've got to rip it off and stick it on with yourself or something else, and it loses it. I don't really get that. No, I'm going to keep that until I get somewhere where I really know where I want to put it, where I'm not going to change my mind to take it off. I think that's the only sort of criticism from like a first point of view is I won't want to stick that somewhere where I'm going to move it in like another year's time or a few months. But we'll pan back today and I'll end the video. It's a video of the new Obulb. I think the flash sale's finished now, so you've missed out. But they're about 30 quid, 20.99, something, 29.99, something like that new. I got it on a flash sale just under 20 quid. Postage on top is a bit more. Really impressed. Really good. Look at how it lights me up. I've put it on high. Oh no, I don't. Oh, that was high. Yeah, see when I do a night shoot, get my best side, you know. I can have that, or my cameraman can hold that behind me. It's a bit of ambient lighting, you know. It's proper pro stuff. And I believe it floats. Maybe we'll test that out now and put it on in the end of the video. Yeah, that's a good idea. Before we end this video, let's go and see if it floats. Let's see if it's a floater. Right, so we're in the bath here, just filled it up, and this is my Olight bulb, so let's turn it on, let's put it on low setting. Right, now let's see if it floats. Oh yeah, look at that. What's a real deal floater, look at that. Wow. Let's turn some lights off. Wow, look at that. That's cool, isn't it? Right, let's go back to the studio and let's end this video. Right, so we're back in the studio, and just come back from trying this out in the bath, and I'm speechless. I think the word is a very, very good product. Well happy with it. Because I know we just buy the torches. Because they've done like they've always done sort of an interesting bunch of torches, but it's the first time this year they've done lanterns or this kind of product. So I was going to buy a lantern, but I couldn't afford it. So this came up at a good price, and I thought I'd get one, and I tell you what, it's worth every penny. So you'll probably see more of this in future videos. But if you want an Olight, I'll put a link down below for Olight UK if you're in the UK, but if you just put wherever you're in the country, so put Olight USA if you're in the US or wherever, you'll find it. And if you're in the UK though, we have actually a fan club group on Facebook where you can ask questions and talk to fellow Olight community. Really good. And if you want more Olight unboxings or any unboxings, let us know, or we'll sort something out. Because I've got quite a few Olights, what we could re-unbox, and I'll show you what I've got, or maybe just show you my collection of Olights. And anyway, if this gets a load of likes and a load of views, Tom in Ireland, with Olight UK, get in touch, because I'd like to do more. But if not, I'll just keep buying your products and I'll keep reviewing them, and we'll go from there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, tell me if you've got Olights, or are you thinking of getting an Olight, you know. And make sure to give us a like and give us a subscribe. I'm at 100 already. Before Christmas we've done it. We've got 100. And so let's move on to, let's go small. I want 1,000 next, but going small goals, and let's get 500 next. Let's do that. So and I think what also you need to do is click that big. And let me do that again. Bell.